Good morning to all the respected teachers and my dear friend. As we know that today is 2 October, that is birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. So we are here to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Special occasion, I want to say something about Mahatma Gandhi. Complete name of Mahatma Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, but he was most commonly known as Bapu or Father of Nation. Wo was born on 2 October 1869 in Porbandar in Gujarat. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi, who held the position of Diwan in the state of Rajput, that is situated in Gujarat. His mother was started schooling at 7 years. The name of his wife was is Kasturba Gandhi, whom he got married at the age of 13. After completing matric and college study, he went to England for law study. After a few years, he completed his law study and came back to his motherland.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम
सीताराम सीताराम भज प्यारे मन सीताराम सीताराम पतित पावन सीताराम
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन
Become your thoughts become your words become your actions become your habits become your values become your destiny. A very good morning to all dignitaries and guests with a great joy and immense exultation.
I, Teresa Dhurve,
I, Akanksha Shukla,
we feel privileged to extend a warm welcome to all present here for the celebration first 151st birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi as compared to today. And if anyone wants to visit or meet his near and dear ones, there were no ways he could communicate his arrival. So he used to pay visit without any information, and therefore in course of the time guest used to be called Atithi, one who does not have fixed time for arrival. They and show respect and homage in the similar way one would give to his God.
it is rightly said, days are not lost when memories are created. We feel honored to have with us the Honorable Chief Guest, Father John Walter Harco, Principal, JDS Higher Secondary School, Junwani, and today's guest of honor, Sister Sangeeta, Principal, Amar Jyoti High School, Amarpur, Sister Archana Main from JDS High School, Tullupur, Reverend Father Joseph Paryapuram, Manager of our school, Sister Rashmi Joseph, the Principal, Father Arokya Raja, Director of Mother Teresa Hospital, Father Anthony Jacob, Father Anthony Kaungal, Father Philip, sisters, and our dear teachers.
We asked God for a flower and God gave us a garden. We asked God for an hour and God gave us whole day. We asked God for a true love and God gave us that too. We asked God for an angel and God gave us you. I would like to request Sister Helen to present one bouquet to the Honorable Chief Guest, Reverend Father John Walter Thalko. Sharma to Guest of Honor, Sister Sangeeta. Guest of Honor, Sister Archana Minch. Mrs. Rita Pushram to Father Anthony Jacob. Miss Harshita Tiwari to welcome Father Arokya Raja. Mrs. Sarojini Yadav to Father Anthony Kaungal. Miss Ratia Burve to Father Philip. And Miss Lily Sharma to Father Joseph.
Mahatma Gandhi is one such person. He played an important role in emancipating India from the colonial rule of the British. The role earned him title of the Father of the Nation. His simplicity is reflected in the way in which the day is celebrated. In honor of his memory, the festivities are modest and make an attempt to remember him and honor his values and teaching through social activities.
फूल इस बात की चिंता नहीं करते कि वे कैसे खिलेंगे। फूल इस बात की चिंता नहीं करते कि वे कैसे खिलेंगे। वे बस खुलकर प्रकाश की ओर मुड़ते हैं और यही उन्हें सुंदर बना देता है। Keeping these golden words, we honor him as we garland his portrait.
Now, I invite Honorable Chief Guest Father John Walter Thalko to garland the portrait of Mahatma Gandhi. I also cordially invite Guest of Honor Sister Sangeeta, Sister Archana Minch, Reverend Father Joseph Paryapuram, Manager of our school, Sister Rashmi Joseph, Father Arokya Raja, and Father Anthony Jacob, and all the fathers, sisters, teachers present here to pay homage to the Father of our nation by offering the flowers.
बन गई देश की ज़मीं आसमां, छू रहा है बुलंदी का हिंदुस्तान, है वतन का तुम्हीं से निज़ाम बापू, प्रणाम बापू, प्रणाम बापू, ले लो हमारा सलाम बापू, प्रणाम बापू, प्रणाम बापू, प्रणाम बापू। तुम हो वैसे ही बापू वतन के लिए, रूह होती है जैसे बदन के लिए, तुमने भारत को दी इस तरह जिंदगी, जैसे सूरज से सबको मिले रोशनी,
shall cut the cake and we sing showers of blessings. I invite our Babuji to cut the cake.
This is the promise of love. Krishna receives us refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy from round us the falling, but for the showers we plead. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy from round us the falling, but for the showers we plead. Grant to us now a refreshing, come and now honor thy word. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy from round us the falling, but for the showers we plead.
Song is the language of our heart, our nation. It is the way where human beings can live in any condition. I would like to invite our teachers for an amazing patriotic song.
दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। आंधी में भी जलती रही गांधी तेरी मशाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। आंधी में भी जलती रही गांधी तेरी मशाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम। पुकारे तुझे देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे। माटी पुकारे तुझे देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे। भूले हैं राहें हमें राह दिखा रे, आजा रे अब आजा रे। भूले हैं राहें हमें राह दिखा दे, आजा रे अब आजा रे। माटी पुकारे तुझे देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे। माटी पुकारे तुझे देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे।
Life is my message, said Mahatma Gandhi. Now, may I call upon Mr. Satish Mandve to say few words on this special day.
मेरा धर्म सत्य और अहिंसा पर आधारित है। सत्य मेरा भगवान है, अहिंसा उसे पाने का साधन। Respected Chief Guest, Reverend Father John Walger, Guest of Honor Sister Sangeeta, Sister Archana Minj, Respected Reverend Father Joseph Priyapuram, Sister Principal, Reverend Fathers, and my dear friends, Happy Gandhi Jayanti to all. On this special day, I would like to speak on the importance of 2nd October. अहिंसा परमो धर्म के सिद्धांत को नींव बनाकर विभिन्न आंदोलनों के माध्यम से महात्मा गांधी ने देश को गुलाम की जंजीर से आजाद कराया। उद्देश्यपूर्ण विचार से ओतप्रोत महात्मा गांधी का व्यक्तित्व आदर्शवाद की दृष्टि से श्रेष्ठ था। इस युग के युग पुरुष की उपाधि से सम्मानित महात्मा गांधी को समाज सुधारक के रूप में जाना जाता है, पर महात्मा गांधी का यह मानना था भारतीय शिक्षा सरकार की नहीं अपितु समाज के अधीन है। इसलिए महात्मा गांधी भारतीय शिक्षा को द ब्यूटीफुल ट्री कहा करते थे। Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year to mark the birth anniversary of the most prominent leader of the Indian independence struggle. The Satyagraha movement, Dandi March, non-cooperation movement were only some of the non-violent social crusades initiated by him. Gandhi Jayanti is a way of commemorating and remembering the teachings of Gandhi and spreading his message of peace and harmony forward. The present Prime Minister Narendra Modi led government have launched several programs to commemorate the occasion. One of the most pivotal steps taken on Gandhi Jayanti is the launch of the Swachh Bharat Mission in 2014. The reach and the effect of this cleanliness drive, Gandhi's favorite bhajan, Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, is usually sung in his memory. Jai Hind.
Dance is one of the most divine form of arts. It is much more than just moving your hands and legs.
So get ready for all the excitement and delight. Save up your energy talks because today we are going to catch sight of one great dance. So let's gear up for striking of the show. Let's welcome them to the stage. in the service of others. What you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. We are excited to hear a few words of message from our chief guest, Father John Walter, to continue our events.
सत्य मेरा भगवान है. Respected Father Joseph Karyapuram, the manager of Mother Teresa School, Tindori, Father Anthony, the manager and parish priest of Amarpur, Father Raja, director of Mother Teresa Hospital, Tindori, Father Anthony Jacob, the friend of both the institutions, Reverend Sister Principal, and other sisters, those who are present here. Special way, Mera Namaskar to Mahatma Gandhi ji and all the teachers and staff members of Mother Teresa School, Tindori. First of all, because of Corona, you had a privilege to celebrate, to present this beautiful performance, to pay homage one of the great leaders of India. Truth and non-violence were the main weapons for freedom movement. Throughout the life, Mahatma Gandhi followed these particular principles wherever it was needed. These two principles were the supreme for Mahatma Gandhi and never ever budge what may come to whenever he has to speak about the truth and non-violence. He loved them. And also, he practiced throughout the day, throughout the life, that anyone whoever came to contact, wherever he had a chance to speak, and he gave a beautiful message to every Indian that in your life you have truthfulness, sincerity, non-violence, automatically people will respect. Where there is a truth, there is a knowledge, and where there is a knowledge, there is a bliss or honor. And this was the main focus by Mahatma Gandhi. In a special way, today when you celebrate the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, one of the main principles how you can relate, how you can adopt, how you can imbibe the principle of truth. You are the collaborator, you are the member where they said, my trust, my belief, my faith in teachers will help my family to become better. Most of the teachers, they succeed to manage their classroom. But some of the teachers, they find more difficult, and some of the teachers, they dislike to go particular classroom or particular schools where they find difficult to teach the students. But why particular teacher struggles, does not take interest to go to particular class? Some reasons are there. Some practical facts are there. Because the day you did not stand for truth to teach what capability you have, when you started withdrawn yourself not to prepare my lesson plan according to the expected by the students, the same day onwards, students also lose the trust, faith, and also the respect from the particular teacher. Where Mahatma Gandhi speaks, what may come, you have to remain, you have to stand, and you have to support for the principle of truthfulness. The day you decide as a teacher, every class, every subject, every child, and every parent, that I will teach my student with my service full of truthfulness, genuineness, and also fairness and faithfulness. The day you retire, not only the day, but throughout your life, children will remember, they will love you and take care because of your sincere service full of truthfulness. I wish you all the teachers, those who are here, for your great performance, and also marking the great day, Mahatma Gandhi on his birthday. Keep this word, truthfulness, wherever you act, wherever you move, if your life is full of sincerity, truthfulness, every day, every hour, and every day, with God's blessing, you will succeed towards the better and successful teacher. I wish all the manager and also team, those who are working together. It is you who can make the staff and also the team of management. If teachers withdraw themselves, if teachers don't stand with truthfulness, management will not success because of the faithful and because of the collaborations they are having with the parents of this particular town. Therefore, main stump or main so-called force of this school is the teacher. Every teacher contributes more than 100%. Management will be happy to collaborate and also to take care of your family because of the truthfulness. Wish you also once again all the teachers and the team management for coming days and also the responsibility what you have taken, the collaborations you have made it with the parents where you can remain and stand for the great truthfulness to make every child as a successful city of this country. Thank you all.
A lot of enthusiasm.
Now let's remember him and pay tribute on this occasion by singing together सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. Let's all stand and sing together this beautiful song.
जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा. हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी, ये गुलसितां हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा. हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा. गोदी में खेलती है जिसकी हजारों नदियां, गोदी में खेलती है जिसकी हजारों नदियां. गुलशन है जिसके दम से, गुलशन है जिसके दम से रच के दिया हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा. हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा.
Dear and encouraging words.
Respected Chief Guest, Reverend Father Walter Khalko, the guest of honors, Sister Sangeeta and Sister Archana, Sister Rasmi, the principal of the school, Ravi Viracha, Anthony, Kaungal, and Jacob, Philip, all the sisters present here, and all my staff. First of all, I wish you all the feast of this Gandhi Jayanti. As we celebrate the birthday of a great person of this country, the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. At this moment, I really feel sad just because our students are not with us to celebrate this great day. At the same time, from this celebration from here, we feel in mind, in spirit, that all our students are from home, they are attending this program. They are with us. Let us bring them to your midst and feel that we are celebrating this day with them. The great words of Mahatma Gandhi, the teaching of Mahatma Gandhi, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in service of others. The best teaching. And this teaching of Mahatma Gandhi is very much associated with Jesus Christ. Though Mahatma Gandhi was not a Christian, but he lived the values of Christianity. He loved to read and he loved to live the gospel message that is written. We call it as beatitude and Hindi में आशीर्वचन. Great values is there and he taught this great value system through his life. And that is why today we call him Father of the Nation. Nobody else the history had the privilege to have this name. And so we should reflect why he got this name. Why the entire nation is honoring him today throughout the country. Very big way or the great way. Even if it is Corona, I am very sure in almost all the institutions and nationwide, he is honored today with a great love and respect. Just because he is the father of the nation. And he was really father of the nation. And how he could get this honor to be a father. No prime minister can become or have become a father of the nation. No president of the country has become father of the nation. Only one person, and I think only he will be the history of this mankind, be a father of the nation. Today we honor him that way, in this condition, father of the nation. Why? Just because of the teaching that he gave us all. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. That is what. He lost himself just for the sake of all of us. We are here today in this country with freedom just because of his commitment and dedication. But just because he lost himself for the service of others. Just because he dedicated his whole life, even forgetting his own family, his own wife, everybody, and he gave himself for the freedom of this country. He gave himself. There is a lost yourself. Lose yourself in the service of others. And this is what all we are doing. I, as a priest, or as a manager, or a sister as a principal, or a teacher, anybody for that matter, every citizen of this country is grace teaching if we all follow to find yourself. So the best way to find yourself, who you are, is to lose yourself for the service of others. And Christ taught the same thing. And that's why Mahatma Gandhi used to say, I love Christ. And he loved because he lived all his principles of this sacrifice, this great freedom, fighting, everything was based on the value system. And so, on this day, as we are gathered here, I request for all of you, including myself, let us reflect this words of Mahatma Gandhi every day of our life. Let us begin this day. If all of us begin the day with this great thought, definitely we can bring change. Mahatma Gandhi brought change in this country just because of this principle. And we can definitely change ourselves first of all. We can change the place where we work. We can change everything if all citizens of this country live every day with this principle of this great man. I give my all respect to this great person, the father of the nation, and let us try to live according to his principles and teaching. Today, though it is Corona season, we are not able to celebrate in a grand way. As I said, first of all, our students we miss them very much. At the same time, we want to keep up the school life. And that's why all the regular programs we try to conduct in the school, even if only the staff is here. So to mark, also to remember, even Corona is there, but we are not away from our duties. We are not away from the reality. We celebrate today. The coming celebrations also will celebrate. I am very much delighted to see to this program. Our staff, all our staff, I have been seeing it, you have worked very well, worked very hard to make, though it's not a big celebration, but a feeling of celebration. I myself am feeling here, the spirits. So you have worked very hard to arrange this program very nicely. At the same time, after this program, we are going to see the exhibition, art and craft, prepared by the teachers. Hard work of all of you for so many days. You might have been thinking in mind, I think you are getting too much work, and you are teaching also. You are doing a lot of work. We are left home and coming and doing a lot of work here at the school. But remember, teachers, all these things will bring a great result the days to come. Though you are sacrificing little time, though you are giving your personal time for the school, at the same time, as Father said, it's all keeping all for our students, all for our parents, those who have a lot of hope in us. So we have to work hard, maybe sacrifice ourselves. When we sacrifice ourselves, the teaching of Mahatma Gandhi automatically will come to our life. To find the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. By doing this hard work, sometimes we may lose many things, but there is a great sacrifice and there is a great result awaiting for each one of us. So I personally congratulate all the staff for making this day very great. We have invited our neighborhood of fathers and sisters. They are here also. In a small way is celebrating, but you have done a great work. Appreciate and acknowledge all your hard work, interest, enthusiasm, and your commitment and your dedication to celebrate this day in a great way. So thank you, one and all, and God bless you all.
Thank you, Reverend Father, for all words of wisdom that radiate a source of energy within us.
Trees are our lifeline. Franklin D. Roosevelt rightly said, "A nation that destroys its soil destroys itself." Forests are the lungs of our land, purifying the air and giving us fresh strength to our people. On this special day, to remember forever, we add one more green life to the world by the noble work of tree plantation.
Now, I invite Chief Guest Father John Walter, Guest of Honor Sister Sangeeta, Sister Archana for plantation.
Now, I call upon Mr. Anil Sahu sir for vote of thanks.
Good morning and happy Gandhi Jayanti to all. You can't change how people treat you or what they say about you. All you can do is change how you react to it. Are words of Mahatma Gandhi. Today at this stage of our program, first of all, I extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's event a resounding success. With His blessing and grace, we are able to make this event happen. On behalf of Mother Teresian family, I extend a heartfelt thanks to our Chief Guest Father John Walter Khalko, Principal JDS High Secondary School, Junwani. Guest of Honor Sister Sangeeta, Principal Amar Jyoti High School, Amarpur. Guest of Honor Sister Archana Ming, JDS High School, Dullupur. For accepting our invitation of being with us and took the trouble of choosing the best art and craft work of our teachers. I would also like to express our deep sense of gratitude to our manager, Reverend Father Joseph Parepram, and our principal sister Rashmi Joseph for your guidance and support. I would also like to thank all the fathers and sisters present here. I would also like to thank our teaching and non-teaching staff for their untiring assistance. Last but not the least, a big thanks to each one of you dear teachers who work hard to make today's program a successful one. Thanks to all.
Now I request our principal, Reverend Sister Rashmi Joseph, to introduce about the exhibition.
A very good morning to one and all. Chief guest of the day, Reverend Father John Walter Kalko, guests of honor Sister Sanida, Sister Archana, Reverend Father Arogya Raja, Reverend Father Anthony Jacob, Reverend Father Philip, Reverend Father Anthony Kaungal, Reverend sisters and teachers. Education is the fusion process of teaching and learning. The purpose of education is installing new beliefs, habits, information, and knowledge into the humanity. The education world, including the teachers, are always on their toes, searching the new and productive methods of teaching and learning process. Apart from the theoretical knowledge, the education system also aims to develop social skills and soft skills among the students. There are various methods to involve students in learning and various modes to evaluate teachers as well as students in the teaching learning process. An exhibition is a wonderful tool for it. So the exhibition is a general term used for the organized collection of selected items and their display in public. It focuses on the identification, display and interpretation. Talking about exhibition in the education process of teaching and learning, it is a test of the teachers and they are tested on how far they have been successful in imparting the desired knowledge and skills with skilled creativity. I have seen and heard miracles happen to men and women, all walks of life all over the world. Believe miracles will happen to you and to me when we begin to use the magical power of life. We are a treasure house. We have the infinite riches within us. We have to extract everything we need to be fruitful and plentiful. It is the responsibility of each one of us. Nobody can do it for us. To a certain extent, others can pave the way to it. That is what we teachers are called to do it. If not, we are not capable of forming oneself. We are only standing outside the treasure house. Dear friends, we are living in the world of smartness. Smartphone, smart class, smart car, smart doorbells, etc. etc. Every nook and corner we find lifeless smart electronic devices or machines. Where are we today? We are the people with a life full of energy and our mind travels at the supersonic speed to make these electronic devices. Are we called smart teachers? What about our students? Are they called smart boy or girl? Still look at the present situation and we are aware of it. 2020 is called COVID-19 year. This year is placing lots of pressure on us. We experienced the slavery and the bitterness of lockdown. But the greatness is that we become aware that our thinking, imagination, creativity, relationship, goodness, reaching out to others, our talents and abilities are not locked down by any of the outside forces. Do you know a magnetized piece of iron can lift about 12 times its weight? But we demagnetized this same piece of iron, it will not even lift a feather. In the same way, we can find two kinds of people in this world: magnetized people and demagnetized people. Those who are magnetized, they are full of confidence and faith. They know they are born to succeed and win. Others, so many others are demagnetized. They are full of fears and doubts. We can become a magnetized person when we discover and learn to use the master secret of life. That is all about what comes from within us. I can do it, I will do it, and I am ready to do it. Outset of the inauguration of Art and Craft and Teaching Aids exhibition, I highlight these words: we are a treasure house. Extract the treasure. Be smart, nobody can lock you down. And be a magnetized person to bring magical change wherever you are. Thank you and wish you all the best and a good time ahead.
We cordially invite you all to see the great exhibition of art and craft along with teaching aid prepared by the teachers of Mother Teresa Higher Secondary School, Dindori.